Welcome to Cinque Terra. This is not the hike that we planned on doing, clearly, because we're both wearing Vans and very much non-athletic hiking attire. We planned to do the little sea walk around the coast there between all the different villages, but it's closed for renovation in peak tourist time, so that's less than ideal, but the views are worth it. But we're on the hardest possible path between towns. It is straight up, and I mean straight up. These steps are about 50 centimeters up each, and you don't move far forward on each one. But I hope the view's worth it, because as you can tell, I'm sweating. To think I was going to have a shower before we did this, no bueno, no bueno. At least I'm sweating out that lunch beer. This morning we caught a train from Milan to Cinque Terra via Genova and somewhere else, and this place so far seems pretty cool. There's 5 little towns that are spread out throughout the coast, and they're just straight uphill, kind of like San Francisco style. There's no access via car unless it's like a taxi or an ambulance or something like that, but you've got to walk between all of them to really get the most out of it, or you can catch a boat or a train, but walking's the fun way, I think. Well, if you can walk along the coast. Right now it's the tough way. If you think it's looking a little bit tighter than it does normally, hadn't planned on doing any vlogging, so I left the A7S and the 20mm at home, so just got the 24mm out right now, the 2470. Hopefully it looks alright. Oh baby. Something funny about these Italian restaurants. Hey, we've kind of worked out that pizza not getting cut is a pretty normal thing, but also, for the most part, if you order a beer, you just order a birra and something comes out. You don't necessarily know what you get, but you can obviously order exactly what you want. But for the most part, people just say one birra and a beer comes out. You say what size you want and you get what you get, and you don't get upset. From reading that sign right, the town that we just came from is 531 meters away, but 250 meters of straight up elevation. And when you're looking from here, I dare say that's pretty on point. We made it. Alright, we're on the way down to the next village now, so finally at the top, but we did hear that this one is the steepest of all of them, so not looking forward to that on the old knees on the way down, but we're going to catch the train back to the village we're from, because screw doing this twice in a row. But hey, look at that. It's all worth it, I think. This place is crazy. What's blowing my mind is like, this is how these guys live every day. There's vineyards up and down this thing, and we're walking down huffing and puffing the whole way, and these people just tend to this land like it's nothing else. It's their everyday job. So man, kudos to them. Moving forward. We made it. We're gonna catch the train back and go for a swim. Call it a night. I'm done. Got no shame in saying we took the cheats way home. We did not hike all the way back. It was an awesome hike, but we were not equipped with our Vans and our non-hiking shirts and our skirts and whatnot and what have you. And it was an awesome experience, but Glad to be back and about to go to the beach, but before we do, they left us some Prosecco in the fridge. I think it's time we pop a bottle because I think we've earned it so far. Let's do that. Let's head to the beach, get some drone shots, and let's go to sleep. I'm knackered. Cheers.
Moving forward.
Grande Hanukkah, 350 capicola. You do capicola, cured meat. No, capicola, the meat.
La coppa? Yeah.
Yes, coppa. Yeah. 350? Yeah. Grazie.
They call it coppa.
Coppa. Depends what.
Yeah.
We're just about to catch our train from Cinque Terra down to Pisa. It's been really cool to stay here. Some people said don't really bother about coming here because it's just an old sleepy village, but it's actually been really cool. There's tons of different hikes you can do. The beach was super different to Australia, just like big old rocks and stuff, but it was really nice water to get into. It was really cool photos, so pretty happy we came, but keen to get on down to Pisa and explore the Tuscan region a fair bit, so should be a bit of fun. Also drones here, absolutely awesome. The Italians, you can basically fly anywhere, they don't care. It's absolutely awesome. So we got some really cool drone shots last night, but yeah, do the big old fat thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in probably a Tuscany video, I reckon. See you next one. Bye.